Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roberta, and today I'm with Snorlax and Pikachu to open a very special package. What will it be? Today, Pokemon Sword came into my name, and today we're gonna try it together. So this is the pink side and the other side. It's all in Italian. Fortunately, if I open this like this, there's the long coat thing. Let's try it. So guys, this is out of focus, obviously. Thank you, Alessio. And this is my character. This is I Big Eevee, and this is my Twitch. With like I have the green and the red one, pink one, and also it's in the game. That's so cool. Okay, now I have to choose between the rhythmic monkey, the furry monkey. No, it's a bunny. I don't know. I was thinking about Chimchar.
Okay.
And the crying Sblofo. Blonk, blonk. Yes. Blonk, yo.
Sblofo.
Blanc. And for today, it's all. Bye bye, guys.